Hey guys, it's busy Monday. I got some packing and shipping to do. I got to bring my son to camp. I also am going to hit some thrift stores when I have some time. Alright, this past weekend was pretty light volume-wise, but dollar-wise it was good. I think I had like 14 sales altogether, but I sold over $800, almost $900 worth of product. So my ASP is really good on those, which I'm really happy about. I got some really strong, solid sales this weekend, but you know, I want it to be higher. Like I definitely want to be higher. I think I just need to be listing a lot more. I think it's that time of year where you really need a list to make sure you get that sales volume going through your store, because there's not going to be as many buyers, or buyers are getting a little more picky and prices are starting to drop a little bit. So you need to make sure you give people a really good product at a really good price at this time of year. So let's look at what's sold. I sold these two Wiimotes together for $29.95. I actually just listed 6 of these last night, and this is the first pair that I sold. All right, this Charlie Chaplin set sold for $19.95. I believe I have like $3 into this one. This Uncle Willie K one, I have I think $1 into it. I took a chance on because it didn't look like any had sold, but people had priced it up around like 35 to 40 bucks. I priced it at around 25 bucks and it sold for me within like 2 months. This Alexander Revisited sold for $19.95. I think I had like $2 into it. This Bruce Lee sold for $35.95. I had $2 into it. Always make sure you're checking out Bruce Lee Blu-rays. Those are pretty rare. This one had The Way of the Dragon and Game of Death on it. 2 really awesome movies, and it sold for me within about a month. Remember my Godzilla video, this is one of them that I got in that big lot. This one I paid $1 for, and I sold it for $22. I sent an offer out to someone on there just because I wanted to move it, and a really nice return on it. When I found all those Godzilla videos, I found a bunch of anime as well, and these were part of it. This is a set called Lane, the Serial Experiments. This I spent $1 for each one, so I have $4 into it, and I sold it for $38. My one random piece of clothing that I sold, this is a Cabela's women's polo. It's a medium size. Sold this one for $13.99. I think I have like $1 into it. Now, I sold this lot of John Wayne movies. Now, I picked these out because the covers were a lot more colorful and bright compared to ones I normally see, and they were all from the same person, or at least he was either writing them, directing them, or producing them, and that is John Ford, which you'll see right there. So I was able to find a set with all John Wayne and all John Ford, and I bought each of these for $1 each, and I sold it for $53 to the right buyer. It just took a little bit of time. I think I had these for maybe about 3 to 4 months before they sold. This Discovery Channel Navy SEALs set sold for $32. I believe I had $3 into it. Sent best offer out to someone they accepted within a few minutes. Sold this sealed Lord of the Ring 2 Towers set. This one went for $26.95. I believe I had this listed for like a day or 2 before it sold. These usually do good if you price them at the right price. If they're too high, they definitely won't go because there are a lot of people selling them. I sold this 3DS bundle for $145. I have like $16 into the 3DS itself. It did not come with a charger, so I had to test it out with the charger that I had at home. But I am including a new one in there as well, which I got from a pawn shop auction buyout over 2 years ago, and I still have a bunch of these I'm churning through. Just always bundle them in with any systems that I have. And the top sale of the weekend is Last of the Summer Wine. A lot here. This one went for $225. I have $11 into a total. 2 of these are still sealed in there, so really good value for someone because these are really hard to find. These are from BBC Video, and very rare to find these over here in the US. So that's what sold this week. I got to pack all those up in the next hour because I have to get ready to bring my son over to his camp later today. And just real quick, if you guys haven't seen it, make sure you check out the Aussie Flippers channel. I was on there this weekend. He released a video where we showed our top 5 what's sold over the past week. And just make sure you check it out. Very awesome channel. Very awesome dude. Matt is a great guy. You're going to see a lot of cool stuff, especially if you're not used to seeing any reselling over in Australia. Some real cool stuff that you'll find on Matt's channel. Got everything packed up and ready to go. We're gonna go drop him off at summer camp and then I'm gonna go hit some stores and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Super quick in and out at store number 1. Not much there. Got this Haunted Histories collection DVD. It's I think it's a 3-disc set. I should get like 20, 25, and then I found this Charlton Heston 4-movie set, and I should also get between 20 and 25 for $129 for each of them. So nice return on these two. All right, I had a really good score at this last store. I spent $31 after my discount. Got Wii Sports. This one I paid up. After my discount, it would be like $7, around $7.50. But this will go for like $35 pretty quick. Las Vegas season 3. This one is sealed, so I think I should be able to get 25 for that one. I got 4 Charlie Chans. These all go into a set. I have to figure out which set it goes into. I can't remember which one it is, but I believe I should be able to get $25 for the lot of these. This Babylon 5 season 4, this one is sealed as well, and this one will go for about 30 to 35 bucks is what the current comps were at. Pearl Jam Live at the Garden. This one is also sealed. I should get 20 bucks for that. And then this Rumpole and of the Bailey. I have no idea. I've never heard of this one before, but it's an A&E set. Complete series. This one should go for like $35 as well. And there are a lot of other sets in there, but they price them up. Some of the sets they're pricing up at like $7 each, and I'm not gonna pay for it. There was like the complete Midsummer Murder series. Like they had like sets like 1 through 20 something, but they're pricing at $7 each, and individually some of them are just going for like $10, $12. So I'm not gonna do it. Even lotting them up, I wasn't gonna find much value on them. All right, last store, spent 25 bucks. Got this Wii system here. It is missing the sensor bar, but that's not an issue. I got plenty of those. I found this PTT. It's like personal trainer for tongues. So it's like how do you speak in tongues, and it's sealed. It's a 3 DVD set, or 3 CD and 1 DVD set. This one is sold for like 20 bucks used, so I don't know what I'm gonna price it at, but it was so weird I needed to grab it. And then I got this Dr. Quinn set, the season 2. I also have season 3 over here as well, and I'll put those two together. I should get like 30 bucks for it. And then I found this Tracy Anderson set for $1, and that should go for about $20. So that's my video for today. Hey, wait, you too quick. You too quick. So that's my video for today.
Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.
And that's our video for today. Bye.